Friends, modern LLMs are powerful, but they're only as good as the data you give them. If your document text is messy, even the smartest AI model can give unreliable answers. Standard OCR tools often recognize the words, but lose the structure. Columns get mixed, headings disconnect from content, tables stop making sense, and the final text becomes much harder for an AI model to understand. I am Daniel, and today we're taking a look at LLMWhisperer by Unstract, a document preprocessing and OCR tool built specifically for LLM workflows. We'll see how it handles complex documents, why layout preservation matters, and why this kind of preprocessing can make a big difference before you send anything to an LLM. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's start with the basics. Alright friends, LLMWhisperer is a tool that helps prepare real-world documents for large language models. And that wording is important because this is not just about extracting text from a file. Most OCR tools are built to recognize characters. They look at a PDF or scan and try to turn what they see into plain text. But when a document has tables, columns, or handwritten fields, simple text extraction is often not enough. The problem is that LLMs do not just need words, folks, they also need context. That's where LLMWhisperer comes in. It is designed to preserve the structure and layout of documents while converting them into clean text that an LLM can work with more reliably. So instead of giving the model a messy wall of disconnected text, you give it something closer to the original document logic. Mates, this can be especially useful for workflows with invoices, receipts, or loan documents. Furthermore, it can be useful for forms, scanned files, and multilingual documents, where accuracy depends on more than just recognizing the words. LLMWhisperer is also available as an API, so it can be integrated into existing systems before documents are sent into downstream LLM tasks. Alright guys, now let's see how LLMWhisperer works in practice. The easiest way to test it is through the LLMWhisperer playground. This is useful because you do not need to build anything first or connect the API right away. You can simply open the playground, choose a sample document, run the extraction, and compare the original file with the extracted text. So here we have the document preview on one side and the extracted output on the other. And this is where the main idea becomes much clearer. LLMWhisperer is not only trying to recognize words, it is also trying to keep the document readable for an LLM afterward. Let's start with this smartphone captured receipt. This is a good real-world example, because documents are not always clean PDFs. Folks, after running the extraction, we can see that LLMWhisperer still pulls out the important text from the receipt and turns it into a format that is much easier to use in an AI workflow. Next, I tested a table extraction sample without line reproduction. Tables are one of the biggest problems for regular OCR, because the tool may recognize the words, but lose the relationship between rows, columns, and headers. Here, the point is to see how LLMWhisperer handles the structure, not just the text itself. If the table turns into a random text block, the AI can easily misread the information. Then I also tested an off-orientation scan. This is another useful example because real scan documents are not always perfectly straight. Friends, this is where features like rotation correction and deskewing become important. LLMWhisperer can process a document like this and still extract the text in a readable way, so the final output is not just a broken mess of disconnected characters. I also uploaded a multilingual document separately to test how it works with different languages. This matters because a lot of real document workflows are not English only. You might have forms, contracts, invoices, or reports with multiple languages inside the same file. After uploading the document and running the extraction, LLMWhisperer was able to process the content while keeping the structure understandable. So instead of treating multilingual documents as a completely separate problem, the workflow stays pretty similar. Upload the file, run extraction, and review the structured output. And overall, this playground demo shows the main value of the tool. You can test messy documents directly in the browser, then check whether the extracted output is clean enough for your LLM workflow. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun, instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, after testing everything inside the playground, it is also worth showing that LLMWhisperer is not limited to the visual interface. Guys, here I'm using Postman to test the LLMWhisperer API directly. First, I copy my API key and download the Postman collection in JSON format. Then I open Postman, import that JSON file, and now we can see the ready API requests inside the collection. Here we have several options. We can convert a scanned document into text, check the processing status, retrieve the extracted document, register a webhook endpoint, and view usage metrics for the LLMWhisperer account. For this test, I upload a scanned PDF document and send the request. Once I clicked Send, the task receives a special whisper hash. Right now the status is processing, and we can also see the 202 response, which means the request was accepted and everything is connected properly. Next, I copy this whisper hash, go to the Retrieve the text request, paste the hash there, and click Send again. And now we can see the recognized text from the document. What makes this result useful is that the original PDF was not a clean, perfectly aligned scan. It was slightly crooked, but LLMWhisperer still handled it well and turned it into readable text. Folks, even though the playground is better for visual testing, the API is what makes LLMWhisperer practical for actual automation. You can connect this kind of document pre-processing to your own app instead of doing everything manually. And one more thing to mention here is that this tool is part of Unstract. Unstract is described as an open-source, no-code document automation platform designed to extract structured data from unstructured documents at scale. So LLMWhisperer focuses on preparing and extracting clean document text, while the wider Unstract platform can help build larger document automation workflows. Friends, at this point, it is also worth briefly showing Unstract's Prompt Studio and the GitHub page, because this gives viewers a better idea that this is not just a standalone OCR demo. It is part of a bigger ecosystem for document processing, extraction, and automation. So the full workflow can look like this. First, you use LLMWhisperer to pre-process complex documents. Then you use that cleaner output inside a larger extraction or automation pipeline with Unstract. Alright mates, so that's the main idea behind LLMWhisperer. It is not trying to be another generic OCR tool that simply pulls text out of a document. Its real value is in preparing messy, complex real-world documents for LLM workflows, while keeping the structure clear enough for the model to understand. Guys, I also like that this is not limited to a manual playground experience. Since LLMWhisperer is available as an API, it can fit into larger automation workflows where documents need to be processed at scale before being analyzed by AI. So, if your work involves PDFs, scans, tables, or any kind of document-heavy AI workflow, this is definitely the kind of tool worth testing. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.